I am Hameshania Suyang, a 5-time international kickboxing gold medalist, a multiple national kickboxing champion, also a brand ambassador of RKSK, Adolescent Health Program of National Health Mission Meghalaya, also Meghalaya Awardee 2021 for Ukyanangba Award for Sports. On behalf of District Level Nashamuk Bharat Campaign Committee, West Jaintia Hills District, my message to everyone is to engage in any physical activity, also to keep yourself busy in any interest you are into it, so that it will divert from all social bad habits like drugs, alcohol and tobacco, which result give you a healthy lifestyle of living. Youths are the future of our generation. If we have a healthy youth, we will have a healthy society and a healthy future generation. Parents, teachers, community leaders, church leaders, stakeholders, and youth icons have an important role to play in the society, to be looked as their role model, to influence the society, to inform, educate, and aware about living a healthy lifestyle by eradicating social bad habits like drugs, alcohols, and tobacco. Don't take drugs, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to get out once you are into it. Let us all join hands together and say no to drugs.